It will be a candle at my feet, and look what happened. You must know this trick. I will show you everything that happens when you dare to rub candle wax on your feet. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. And as it is my custom, before I tell you what it is for rubbing candle wax on your feet, I will give you some other homemade tricks that you can do with candles, and that will be of great help to you. Number 1. Avoid crying when chopping an onion. It is normal for the onion to make us cry when it comes to chopping them. Using a candle will avoid this. Just light a candle and place it right next to the chopping board. The smoke sulfur will absorb the substance of the onion that makes us cry. Number 2. Untie the zipper of the clothes. A jammed zipper can be a real headache, especially when it's cold and you're struggling to put on your coat. To solve this, use a neutral-colored candle. Gently rub the wax on both sides. Then go up and down the zipper until the tongue slides smoothly. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you at the end of the videos. Today's greeting is for Maga Lily from Argentina and Sonia Coca from Spain. Number 3. Seal the joints of the tiles. As time goes by, the joints of the tiles tend to darken. When rubbing a candle, you won't need to scoop with any product. The wax will seal the joints, making them resistant to water and preserving their color. Before continuing, I invite you to make this video reach someone who could be of help. Number 4. Save needles and pins. When you don't want to lose your pins and you don't know where to put them, you can use a candle. These will stay fixed on it and will never get lost again. Number 5. Remove the sound from the doors. We've all had a door at home that made a lot of noise. To avoid this, just rub a candle on the edges of the door where you think the sound comes from. Then you will notice how the rechinido will have gone completely. Now that you know different tricks with the candle, it's time to tell you how to place the wax on your feet. The feet accumulate the greatest amount of stress we have. That's why, as time goes by, they start to get hard and scratchy. The candle wax is excellent for restoring and softening the feet. Scrape wax in a cup and then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In a bucket with hot water, we submerge the cup and beat until the wax melts. The following is to apply this combination on the entire heel and sole of the feet. Let it rest all night with your feet inside a sock, although this is optional. The next day, remove the wax. You will notice that the foot will be very soft and free of hardness.